Having to travel alone with a child is not beans. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a new viewer, watcher, please subscribe. Click on the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell to let you know every single time that I upload videos. I upload videos once a week. And please subscribe, it's free, it's not going to cost you any single thing. So let's get right into the video. I remember the first time I had to travel with my son, it was like in 2016, and it was my first time traveling internationally, and it was not even 1 year. I scoured the internet to find tips or anything that could prepare me for what I had to embark on. But I don't think I saw any Nigerian content on that, so this is me helping my community, helping my beautiful ladies out there to know exactly what they need in order to have a very successful or have as smooth as a journey to and fro as much as possible. My very first tip for you is to plan as much as possible. If you can, not if you can, please, as much as possible, but have your hotels booked. If you're going to stay with family, have that sorted out. Your airport pickup, things like that. Just like be prepared. I created a checklist down below of everything that you will need on your trip, and carry on your full luggage. Yeah, I'm going to insert that in the description below. You can grab a copy. It's not printable, so you can reuse it every single time you need to travel. Just to have it handy. Yeah, so you're welcome. Number 2, please pack as light as possible, especially when you're leaving. Like if you're leaving Nigeria abroad, make sure you pack as light as possible. I know I'm saying this, but I'm gonna do 2 story times of my experience so far with traveling internationally, and yeah, they're going to be so interesting. So look out for those. So yeah, travel as light as possible once you're going. For the first time I traveled, my son and I, when we're going, we used just 1 suitcase. So carried 1 suitcase for both our things. A carry-on, which was a school bag for me, and a little that must go that had things that I wanted, that family and friends wanted me to bring. So that was only what I traveled, and I'm so grateful those are the only thing I went with, because when you watch the story time, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So please travel as light as possible. Most of the times when Nigerians are traveling abroad, we end up shopping when we go there. So then it doesn't make sense to carry all your clothes from Nigeria there and then you have to shop like excessive things and come back. Except you have no plans on shopping, then you can carry all your belongings to the abroad. But if you have plans on shopping there, pack as light as possible. If possible, just carry a carry-on bag or box and a handbag for you, or a school bag. See, just do school bag. School bag is the best, because inside you can put your own purse, your child's needs and all that, which I'm going to link. As I said, the description below is going to have the checklist, so you can go there and see all the things that I listed that you most likely will need. And yeah, pack as light as possible. Number 3 thing I really suggest is be at the airport in time. Just get there early. Please get to the airport early. Let's see, when you're traveling international, there's nothing as frustrating as having to rush, especially if you're carrying a child, and if you're traveling alone, there's nothing like having to rush with a child. It's not fun at all. So just get there early so you're relaxed, you're not pressured. If you want to snack, you can just buy the snacks before you get to the airport, or if you don't want that, you can eat at the airport. Both times I've flown, I'm flying. I flew from Abuja, because that's where I stay. Abuja Airport, the new airport is actually really nice, but from the international wing, I don't recall seeing anywhere you could eat. So that's one thing I consider, maybe carrying snacks or food that you can eat. I know some people fly with food from Nigeria. I've never done that before, but like I'd rather take snacks, things I can snack on. I really like granola bars, biscuits. I bake banana bread at home, or just little knickknacks that you can eat while you wait. So please be there on time. So the first thing that you need to know or do, or my tips for you, is to accept help. It's finding hard to accept help from people, but now I'm being more and more open to accepting support and help from others. So accept help. There's sometimes that you're carrying your stuff and someone will say, "Oh, please, can I help you with that?" I know it can be really scary for some people, but I'm very grateful that all the experiences I've had so far, I prayed that God just needs to send me really nice people, like really genuinely nice people that really just wanted to help me. So just be open to accepting help from others, because having a child, having like a carry-on luggage, and if you're gonna have like a big check-in luggage, having that and then pushing your child with it, especially when you're traveling alone, is not easy. From my experience, it is not easy. So if you see someone that says, "Can I help you with that? Do you need help with that?" say yes. Just make sure you're watching the person. Actually, the person comes down from your own plane, just make sure you're watching the person, or you're having conversations with the person, so the person doesn't run if you're scared of that. But just be open to accepting help from people, because I believe that there are so many good people in this world, and that's my perception. So if your perception is that bad people, that is a whole other topic, and we can discuss that, you and I. But I was open to accepting help from people. So yeah, and accepting help from people helps me a lot, because my 4-year-old is very energetic, and chasing a child with your luggage in a foreign country or Nigeria is no joke. So please, if you see someone who wants to help you, just be open to accepting help. And number 5 tip for you, just prepare your money. Prepare your money. Like, have a budget of what you want to buy. If possible, what I do is like I go to Amazon or the shops I want to shop at, and have like how much I want to spend in those places ready. Or for example, even if like I don't like do that, go through that route, I basically would just have like an idea of how much I want to spend in each category: clothing, makeup, shopping for myself. I write the list of important things that I want to buy. So it's not like I'm just going there and I'm like, "Oh, flashy things, yay!" If you have the money to buy all the flashy things you want to buy, please go ahead and do this. Right now, I'm on a budget, so it's not gonna last forever. But every single thing I need, I end up buying. Why? Because like I already planned that. And as a Nigerian bar, make sure there's money in your Naira card. Make sure there's money in your dollar card. Please go and get dollar cards. They're technically like $20 something in Nigerian banks. I saw one put I got 1 mil from Fidelity. I think CBN has reduced it to 10. It is true. I'm very, very happy. So like let's say $20 for a dollar card, and carry cash. Don't carry like all your cash. Carry like as in cash that you can use to maybe buy snacks if you have like maybe a connecting flight and you have to wait, because when I do my story times for my boat, for both my experiences traveling abroad and traveling alone with a child, you understand where I'm coming from. So please get your money ready. Have a Naira card, put money in the card. If you have a dollar card, put money in the card, and carry some cash on you. Just do that. And my last sixth and final tip for you is be prepared for anything. Be willing to adapt to whatever situation you find yourself in, because if you're just saying, oh, it has to be like this, oh, if it's not like this, I'm going to because you've planned as much as you possibly can, but just have that room open in your heart of hearts, and your mind, to just know that, see, if things don't go the way I plan, I am open to accept, to be adaptable, because life will throw you a curveball like this. Life will literally do you like this, and you might just find yourself in a situation where you did not even plan at all. So yeah, be adaptable to the new environment, to the things not going the way you planned. Just be adaptable, and have fun. Just see, don't take things too hard. Just have fun with the experience. It's a story you get to tell later, so just have fun. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed all the beautiful tips that I've had for you today. If you have any other ones, just drop them in the comments below. I really appreciate if you like and subscribe to this channel. I'll not only be filming about travel and lifestyle. I'll be giving you millennial parents / millennial woman tips, and also we'll be talking about one of my favorite topics, which is money management. And yeah, I'll be dropping videos every single week on Fridays, so subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified every single time a video drops. And I'd love to see you back on this channel. Have a beautiful day, and